Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening CS2 and signing into the Steam account that owns the stickers and the weapon. Once done, go straight to Inventory. This is where you control cosmetics. Make sure both the sticker items and the gun you want to modify are visible. If a sticker is in a capsule, unwrap it first. You're doing this to avoid trading delays and to confirm item binding. Now pick the sticker and the weapon, because the next step is applying the sticker directly to the skin. You right-click the weapon and choose Apply Sticker, then select the sticker from your inventory list. Next, place it on one of up to 4 sticker slots. Use rotation and scale controls to get the look you want. Once adjusted, confirm the transaction. CS2 may show a binding or cost notice, so read that carefully. If it's cosmetic only, proceed. Remember, sticker placement is permanent unless you have a tool to remove it, which is rare, so take a moment to be sure. You finalize by inspecting the weapon in Inspect mode, and then in a live match to verify how the sticker appears under game lighting. If the sticker doesn't show, check for inventory binding, market, or VAC trade locks, and ensure the sticker isn't still in a capsule. If Steam seems out of sync, wait up to 15 minutes and relaunch CS2. Reconnecting often refreshes item states. One key troubleshooting tip: verify the sticker and skin are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.